How do we see the world?
We see the things all day, but do you ever wonder how we can see this world?
In general, the eye and the brain work together to allow us to see objects. The eye sends the image it sees to the brain, and the brain processes that information.
First, see the eyes. Our eyes' main job is to detect patterns of light. When the light reflects off the object to our eye, the light through the front part of the eyeball is called the cornea. Cornea is like a window, transparent and helps to focus the light to make things look more clear. Then the light passes through a dark round circle in the color part of the eyes. The circle is called the pupil, and the color part is called the iris. The iris has different colors. That's why we can see different people have different color of the eye. The iris also controls how the pupil is and how much light can pass into our eyes. In bright light, the iris narrows the pupil, reducing the amount of light that enters the eye. In dim light, the iris widens the pupil, make more light in. Behind the iris is the lens of the eye. The lens is elastic. It helps focus the light accurately on the retina, so you can see things clearly. When you see a distant object, the lens will be relaxed and flattened. For the near object, the lens becomes contracted and bent. If you see near object too long, like staring at the screen all the time, your lens can get relaxed to normal state. Then you may need glasses to help your lens see things clear again. When the cornea, pupil, and the lines are all working together properly, the light will arrive at the retina. There are about 130 million tiny cells in the retina that are sensitive to light. It is also able to recognize the color and the luminance. Let us see the colorful world and able to see things at night. When they detect light, they turn it into electrical signals. Those signals eventually make their way through the optical nerves, which like a cable connecting the eye to the brain. But the retina sees the world upside down. It's our brain that turns what we see right side up. And our two eyes have a little different vision when they see the objects. So we also need our brain to condense them into one picture. By the way, the brain also connects our sense of sight to things we already know. So when the eye sees an apple, you recognize it as an apple, not an orange. The eye sees the actual image and the brain adds some details to it. That's how we're able to see the world.